Hello, I'm Ber who is studying game development with you. This time, before we start studying the Unity engine in earnest, let's briefly talk about the game engine and Unity. The Unity engine we are going to study is one of many game engines. So what is this game engine? It's a toolbox with tools to help you create your game. This toolbox contains it such as graphics system that will show the player the world in the game, physics engine to add realism to the game with realistic physics effects, an audio system that adds tension and emotion to the game with music and sound effects, contains in-game information and UI systems that provide the player with various conveniences and more. Of course, there are many other functions besides these four, but the important thing is that we have created the functions necessary for game production in advance. If there is no game engine that pre-creates and provides these functions, game developers have to create a process of directly drawing dots in the virtual space to show the world in the game, then filling the dots by connecting the vertices, and collide to realize the physical effect. You will have to build the system yourself. The same goes for the audio system and UI system. In fact, the early game developers made all of this on their own. However, as the quality of the game gradually increased with the development of the times, the production period and cost also increased. So, wouldn't it be possible for developers to make games faster by recycling the games they've already made? They thought. Wouldn't it be possible to make a game faster if we started making a game based on a base in which the elements commonly used in the game were made in advance? That's how the game engine was born. With the advent of game engines, game creators can focus on implementing actual game functions, rather than starting games from the ground up, such as graphics and physics engines. Similarly, the Unity engine provides many features necessary for game creation, allowing developers to focus on developing real game systems. The Unity engine has the advantages of being easily accessible to beginners with game objects, flexible component functions, and an intuitive GUI, and reducing the game development period by purchasing graphic resources and functions provided by others in the asset store. So it is often used by small development teams or indie game companies. In this video, I briefly talked about the game engine and Unity. Now that we have just learned what a game engine is, let's learn the features of Unity one by one through another course and study how to make a game together. This video was produced with the donate and watching of the viewers. It was Ver's Game Development YouTube. Thank you.